Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send high quality video in WhatsApp. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you're going to find this kind of interface right over here, right? If you would like to simply send somebody a high quality video or photo, first of all go ahead, choose your user whom you would like to send. Now right over here, go ahead, tap on this camera icon, and now let's say you do have to send a video to them. So let's say we have this video. Over here you can see we have plenty of options on top, and then there you can see this option of HD on top, right? Go ahead, tap on it. Now tap on this HD quality, switch it, and now tap on the send button, and your video will be sent as a high quality video for that user of yours. You can simply choose to do the same process for others as well. Go ahead, choose a video and send them by tapping on that icon, and you're good to go. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.